Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we save you money and headaches by comparing the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two contenders that are ready to duke it out. On the left, we have the Asani Mini 3D printer, and on the right, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Let's see which one will be crowned the king of your creative space. First up, let's talk about price. The Asani Mini is coming in hot at $500. That's right, $500. It's like buying a mini spaceship, but for your desk. On the other hand, we have the Creality Ender 3v3 SE at a wallet-friendly $219. I mean, at that price, you might as well buy two and start your own 3D printing empire. Now, let's talk about what you get in the box. The Asani Mini comes with a complete starter kit. They give you everything but the kitchen sink, PLA filament, micro SD card with model designs, splicing software, and more accessories than you can shake a stick at. It's like Christmas morning, but without the ugly sweaters. The Ender 3v3 SE, however, keeps it simpler. Sure, it's easy to assemble in 3 steps, but you might need to borrow some filament from your neighbor. Or, buy some with all that money you saved. Speaking of ease of use, the Asani Mini is all about that simplicity life. It's fully assembled, auto-leveling, and even has one-touch filament loading. It's like the 3D printer equivalent of a self-driving car. Just sit back and let it do its thing. The Ender 3v3 SE isn't far behind though. It's got auto-leveling with a CR touch sensor and strain sensor for auto-Z offset. Plus, it has a cool UI that makes you feel like you're in a sci-fi movie. Who doesn't want to feel like Tony Stark while printing a new phone case? Now, let's talk speed and quality. The Asani Mini boasts high-precision prints thanks to its dual Z-axis rail. It's like the yoga instructor of 3D printers, all about that balance and precision. But the Ender 3v3 SE is no slouch. It can print at a blazing 250 millimeters per second speed with 2,500 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's faster than a cheetah on a caffeine high. Plus, it has the Sprite direct drive extruder for smooth and consistent feeding. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. When it comes to build and durability, the Asani Mini is compact and lightweight, perfect for those tight spaces. It's like the tiny house of 3D printers. But the Ender 3v3 SE is built like a tank with its dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts made of strong steel. It's like the Terminator. It'll be back, print after print. Lastly, let's check out the extra features. The Asani Mini is Wi-Fi capable and compatible with the majority of slicing software. It's like the social butterfly of 3D printers, always ready to connect. The Ender 3v3 SE, on the other hand, has a PC spring steel build plate that makes model removal a breeze. Plus, it has power loss recovery, so it can resume printing after an unexpected power failure. It's like the MacGyver of 3D printers, always ready for a comeback. Summarizing the Amazon reviews, the Asani Mini 3D printer is praised for its ease of use, comprehensive starter kit, and high print quality, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. Reviewers highlight how straightforward it is to set up and start printing right away. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is lauded for its affordability, fast printing speeds, and sturdy build. While some users faced initial setup challenges, many found it to be an excellent entry-level machine once they got the hang of it. So there you have it, folks. The Asani Mini 3D printer and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer. Both have their strengths and quirks, but the choice is yours. Do you want the fully loaded spaceship or the budget-friendly speedster? Let us know in the comments below which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, happy printing and stay smart. Buy smart. Product links are in the description.